Dialogue is vital to having really effective scenes in your memoir. Dialogue creates immediacy. It allows the reader to listen in and eavesdrop on your friends and family and so on. But often it's really hard to remember dialogue that happened 20, 30 years ago. But if you can get that memory going, you can remember it at least to the best of your ability. It can really add a lot to a scene. And I just want to give an example of this here from one of my clients. And this was a childhood story, so I think the author was maybe 8 or 9 years old here when some man in a Cadillac drives up to the curb and tries to get into a conversation with him. And the author here talks about the door swings open and a tall, hefty man in a green, I guess it was a green suit, steps out. And then he gets near, and here's the dialogue that's really interesting and captures something that I don't even think this author could have made up. It sounds so realistic. So the man from the Cadillac says, "Hey, what's your name?" And then our author, the boy, says, "What? What's your name?" "Oh, Jay," I said. "So Jay, what's the deal down here?" "What do you mean?" I asked. "Where are those working girls at?" he asked. "Oh," I said knowingly, "they are further down the street from here. I'm trying to mac me some bottom girl tonight." This dude must be from the States or something, I thought. Oh. I shake my head unsure what he meant. "Real talk, young blood," he said in an accent. "I guess you chopping the block?" he asked. Confused, I nod my head. Yeah. "Stay cool, young blood." "Yeah, peace," I said unnervingly. Then he says that was wild and he's got to go home. And he's he's looking at his Batman wristwatch, showing his age, obviously. A really nice little detail there to show his age, that he has a Batman wristwatch. And then at the end, he talks about the anticipation to tell his friends about this man in the Cadillac who, is asking him to find prostitutes, right? But the dialogue is just so original, so unique that it had to have been a real situation. It really speaks to the reality of this author's scene about this guy in the Cadillac. Because I just really don't think he could have made that up. So keep that in mind. If you've got any real dialogue and you can remember it and you can capture it, get that down on the page because it really shows character, really shows the moment. And it's like we are standing there next to this boy by the curb when the man in the Cadillac gets out and asks him about these prostitutes.